Guys, do you love the live streaming? You want to share yourselves with global level members? Then I am going to share about NIKI Live. 5 million plus people are already waiting for you. If you love making new friends and you want to enjoy this moment, then you are also coming on it. And if you are getting the link in video description, you can easily join the NIKI Live where download the app from my link. And next you can also check out, this is going to be something really interesting. After download the app, I am going to show you how actually this is working in step by step. So let's go to our screen where I will show you in every feature deep dive. After download the app, you can easily check out there is Party Together app is here. You can also create account using the Google, Facebook or email ID. And after that, your account will be ready and then you can easily check out on the screen too. And here is there are live streamers from all over the global level. Yes, you can meet with new friends. Here are country-wise. You can easily check out different type of countries. Bloggers are sharing their daily lifestyle. And you can also come to your profile here. First of all, want to recharge to get some coins that will be used in this system, you can easily click on it. And then you can also choose here different packs available. You can choose one of them. And then you can also go ahead using your code. You can easily proceed. And next, if you come back and you want to check out your different level, then here you can, there are different levels. When you are going to increase your reward, then here will be share, like, enrich, share and game option. This is going to be something really interesting. And here are also some activities in which you can participate, and then you can also get some reward on daily basis. There are events, so you can also explore that. And if you come here, you can also invite your fans, chat with them. There is also different events. Official message will be shown to you. If you have a lot of followers, people will also do message so that they can also collab with you. And you can also create your own community to post something. People will like, people will share, and they will also give you some reward as you can also give it. And here next you can also follow them. Here are some tiers. Like mini club, there is super gather club. You can easily start your new own journey, or you can apply yourself to join the other people companies. This is going to be really crazy thing that you can start here. And if you are going to open any one of the bloggers, then like here I am going to open the first one. You can live here, send the reward. Yes, to any bloggers, you can upgrade your account and get a different number of reward. This is depend on you. You can also send a request to join, and everything is here very simple. So I hope you love it and how it works. And join depends on this platform. All over the global level countries, people are available, and they are also finding new friends. So you can also join the club. You can also make community here. You can discuss with them if you want to get your reward by this platform. Then here will be number of beans. That will be option as exchange, and then you can also have an option to. You can also invite your friends and they share your reward income with that. Here is something really interesting. And I hope you understand. If you have any question or query, you can ask in our comment box. See you next time. Till then, take care and goodbye.